Gupta School of Management, IIT Kharagpur, is privileged to host Ms. Sushmita Mishra, Senior Vice President and National Head Qualitative at Karvi Insights Limited. After such an insightful session, we have a few questions for ma'am. So shall we start, ma'am?
Sure.
The first question is, in today's era when everything is going online and all information is available, also a new technology is coming up every second. So how difficult it has become to differentiate your product?
So like some of what I said in the session, I think it's getting extremely difficult to differentiate because what seems like a differentiator today, tomorrow 5 other people have replicated it, made it available, it's gone viral, and you are soon kind of losing that edge. Like all refrigerators are making fast ice. All cars today have a fifth gear. That's no longer standing out. And that's where people like us come in to kind of, I think, help organizations find those little differentiators which are still at a latent need stage maybe, and come up with further ones. But it has probably meant earlier if I would go and just meet customers, now I have to look at multiple ways of reaching the same customer, look at behavioral data, look at real-time data, look at customer intercepts, watching what they do, what they say, looking at them in marketplaces, in their homes, all of it. So you have to look at them, and maybe for a more longer period of time. And we've also used technology to try and understand some of these differentiators. Technology has made it a lot more time and cost efficient to try and also understand customers. So we've also been leveraging technology to find some of these differentiators for clients.
That was well answered, ma'am. The second question is, what do you think are the key skills that are required for today's youth to design innovative products and services?
Okay, that's a tough question actually, because the today's youth, I think is quite spoiled for choice. And like you mentioned in your previous one, they are the ones who are always digitally connected.
Yes.
And so they have access. They will Google for everything that they're going to purchase. I think they also look for a sense of purpose, and a brand that kind of speaks to them in that language and addresses that sense of purpose is the one that I think connects with them most strongly and keeps them engaged. So I think it's important for brands to understand the youth in far greater detail, because sometimes I think we have a very limited understanding of the youth. We feel they're all fickle, they're all, they flirt with different brands, they have very limited relationships with brands. So you have to also package and speak to them in a manner that resonates with them, I think, more importantly. I think that's what is possibly going to work with them.
Thank you, ma'am, for your answer. The final question is, how was your interaction with the students of VGSOM and what message would you like to give them?
So I think it was a good session. There were a lot of questions, and I think the Q&A went on for almost as long as the session did.
Yes.
So I think there is a lot of curiosity to learn, and given the number of visiting faculty you have, I think people are getting exposure to different kinds of professions, occupations, vocations, whatever you call it. And I would like to tell them that stay curious, spend time with the customer, and try and be very grounded when you kind of pass out and get into organizations. And I think the customer will continue to be the king. So when you look at innovation, when you look at analytics and all that, please remember that at the heart of it is the customer. And if you can please the customer, then your brand is likely to be a success. And like I said, insight is where the customer meets the brand, and we come up with a commercially viable option. So,
thank you, ma'am, for your time and the session. This all will help the students and the youth in general.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks.